Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel a trade on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top of the screen, as you can see, we have the traders, lenders, we have the about, more, the sign out button, return to platform, and of course in the middle of the screen we have the start trading button. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel a trade on Bitfinex. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, as I told you, log into Bitfinex. Then go and click on start trading and click on the trading page, which is in the left side corner here. Select the relevant trading pair from the ticker. After you have selected that, locate the order that you wish to cancel in the orders section. Once you feel cancel the order in the section, click on the cancel button next to the order you want, of course, to then cancel. If you have multiple orders to cancel, you can use the order bulk editing and selection options to manage them more efficiently. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys!